next question says evaluate the square root of 49 divided by 81 and list all possible answers. So one way that we could do this is we could split this into two separate square roots. We could say that this is the same thing as the square root of 49 over the square root of 81. That helps us because we know the square root of 49 is 7 and we know the square root of 81 is 9. So that actually gives us one of our answers, 7 over 9. But remember, anytime you take a square root, there are actually two answers. There's a positive answer and there's a negative answer. So we have to represent both. The way that you can represent both is you can write both out or you can use the plus or minus sign. Now you could also type this in your calculator. If you weren't comfortable doing all of that, you could come to your calculator and you could type it in exactly how it looks. The square root of 49 divided by 81. Now it looks like it's going to be 0.7 repeating, and that was kind of a tricky answer because a lot of you might have picked that, but that's only the positive answer, and it says list all the possible answers. It has to be positive and negative. So I changed it back to a fraction, and that's where that positive or negative 7 over 9 comes from. If this had said 0.7 repeating with a plus or minus sign in front of it, then that would have also been correct. That's not what it said. It rounded it and it only gave the positive answer.